If there is something written here, please, if there is something written here. Wait, see the thing.
Please. That's the actual thing that is happening in Jabu town now. And so we're a bomb go into Nigeria, the Hausa. Allah ya taimake mu abun ya fada ba.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 26th of December 2025, with the team of Magnetic Gist TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, you can see that Nnamdi Kanu is a prophet. Nnamdi Kanu is right in what he has been saying for many years, you know. So yesterday night, being 25th of December, the United States of America has taken it upon themselves because, you know, they sent signal that they are going to strike all these terrorists that are buying Christians. So they thought that the United States is joking. But today, early hours of today, they did it. I'm telling you, they strike you in Sokoto. They strike. You know, Sokoto prison is where they put Nnamdi Kanu.
Na kiyace aka sako Allah bai saukar da ita cikin gari ba ta yi bakin daji nan cikin garin Jabo inda yanzu haka ga mutane nan sun fito na gari da na ƙauyukan Jabo ko ina ga ana an fito jami'an tsaro dai suna batun kokarin su wurin kiliyarin yadda sojojin da ke garin Jabo ga suna kula da abubuwan kuma suna kokarin kare mutane daga isa wurin wanda yanzu haka ga guntayen ta nan ana gani ga hannun mutane. Allah ubangiji kai muna sauki kai muna kariya da kuma gun kaddarori Allah ka kare mu Allah kai muna kariya Allah ka tsare mu Allah ka ƙara tsare mu Allah ka ƙara tsare mu Allah ka shiga tsakanin mu waɗanga abubuwa Allah.
So I don't know if you guys are trying to understand or connect these things. Before now, we have not been hearing any much attack in Sokoto. Before now, Sokoto has been a kind of calm or peace or peaceful. But after Nnamdi Kanu was transferred to Sokoto prison, that was when all this attack of bandits, or will I say Fulani herdsmen, started in Sokoto. That's when we started hearing about all these things. Sokoto. I don't know if they are actually trying to disguise themselves and buy Nnamdi Kanu there in the prison. I don't know if that is what they are planning. But thank God that the United States of America has taken it upon themselves. Even the Prime Minister of Israel, Mr. Netanyahu, said it. Immediately he released his own statement that they are going to defend Christianity in Nigeria. That was when the United States of America now struck all these bandits that are terrorizing Nigeria.
No go lie, make I tell you, my brothers, my sisters, my fathers, my mothers, it look funny. Resources from here. All the resources now here from. That one no make them to keep quiet upon how they oppress us, they intimidate us, they do so many things. With the resources from here, you don't do them. They go enter motor from north, come here again, they kill us. And they sometimes they think that. The thing they confuse me. We no fight, we need to drag wife, we need to drag girlfriend, we need to drag concubine, we need to drag land, no boundary. You go enter trailer, they go put cow, put everything. Trailer go carry them, go another person's state. They buy people. And the government will just they look them. It look funny. Sometimes I go, waiting with this thing, waiting with the drag. Waiting with the drag. Leave your state, come another person's state, they kill them. In the name of one Nigeria. Government keep quiet. Uniform people don't go talk. Because now them full all the uniform now them. Enter motor, carry cow, put carry tools, put carry rifle, put. Come another person's state, begin the killer. And the youth, the masses keep quiet, they watch. The kingdom of God suffered what violence, and the troublemaker, the violence, the wahala, the war people do what? They come by force.
They have just, in fact, well, I can say that they just started though. They just started. Now you can see that Asabuja, who has been a very strong man in this peace union of Nigeria, said it here. Because according to him, he's saying that he doesn't understand why these guys will leave their states, come down to another man's land, and they buy that person. That he's yet to understand that. But I believe and I know as day goes by, so many things will really come. So many things. In fact, I got boss upon Obodo. If all these Fulani herdsmen, I got boss up because now I got so happy go.
And so it be. Because if you keep quiet, this people will finish us. No follow that Jesus law, say if they slap you and give you. If you raise hand, cut to the hand, come on. You sabi buy people, sabi kill. You no go leave your state, come here, come kill me and keep quiet. May God forbid. It is a haram. You leave your state, you leave your area, come my own area. Won't come kill me. I keep quiet. Even God no happy. God no go happy with me. And the devil, the Lucifer, no go happy with me. It is abomination. Devil no go happy with me. Devil go even invest for me. Now they sing. Now my area be this, so if you fire me, I fire you. Now my area be this. I will never follow you to your place. I will never follow you to your station. And this one now no be station. No. This one now ain't come to kill you, go back. Ain't come to buy you, go back. Leave your state, come buy you, go back. On a day they drag anything. On a day they drag load. And on a begin they run. They don't come, bandits, they don't come, bandits, they don't come. And they see for social media. For West, from Yoruba State, for Benue State, for Enugu, Ebonyi State, and they see for social media, bandit don't come, bandit don't come, bandit don't. On a welcome, make on a come River State. Welcome. That cassava way carry, I will help you carry them down. That Gary way carry way one sell out. We go help you carry the Gary down. Bandit don't come, make on a run no. Bandit don't come, make on a run no. Now like this we will continue to live. We go continue to live like slave. Make an run, bandits don't come, people begin to run for village. Now so it's supposed to be. One Nigeria. Now like this is supposed to be. Wanna keep quiet. For your forest, for your desert, for your land, for your ground. Somebody come to chase you. No try come. No try. No try. I say, get your own, I get my own. And then they hide them. I'm not sure, I see them. You keep your own, I keep. Who buy them for you? Don't be politician. Those umbrella, those tools, those equipment, who buy them? Don't be politician. Who give you? Don't be politician. Who give you those load? Who don't be politician? Or like, who give these people money to buy this thing? These people get money to buy this thing. To tell on the truth, politicians, they support them. They are not a politician, no be all. They support them. No be all. They support them. They back them up. And I know she said they get healers finish. See them with army uniform, police uniform, where they wear. Anything they happen. But for here now, if you wear them, not trouble. If you wear even knicker, not trouble. If you wear boxer, ordinary boxer, will be army color, not trouble. Now what would they say? If you wear boxer, will be police color, not trouble. But go for that, they wear a here. Where I come town, buy phone, buy handset to go back. Where I go market to buy things to go back. Nothing they happen. Now here the uniform get power. And they talk about everything. The power where uniform get now here. The open eye now here. Who leave your area, call the kill another person from the area. On our way to you to keep quiet. Ah, my God. The Amusu of the cherubim, we are at. Death today my pocket. And they carry them waka. Person they die 2 times. Fear. God did not give me the spirit of fear. It is the spirit of boldness. The spirit of Ikwikwi, the sucking blood. The Ikwikwi of the seraph. All the world is seraph. And the spirit of Amusu of the cherubim. And it's me. The dirty water will need a smell. If you shake it, you go come smell. So no shake and make it no smell. No. If you shake am, he go smell, but you no shake am. Leave am as him dey, he don't leave you. But you don't go come my place, come intimidate me. You don't go come my place, come chase me. Day a day, I day my day. Day a day, make we day our day. There is peace in River State. There is peace in Niger Delta. And there is peace in all community. No bandit. They don't shift to go back. We don't humble them, they shift to go back. Niger Delta people don't lower them, they shift to go back. If you don't shift for life, you shift for death. If you don't humble for life, you humble for death. And I hear them. Asawana wana. Asawana wana. Aizo, yeah. Aizo. Ikwela ni mekao. Kabeliai. Now our Niger Delta be this. Now we get them. We need to run.
So this guy here, Chidera, is also calling on people that are still in the bush to come out, saying that nothing is there in the bush to do, that he can talk about Biafra, but he cannot talk about Biafra whereby a Biafra man is killing his brother, or in the name of Biafra. That's what he said, that he believes in Biafra, but he doesn't believe in people using the name of Biafra to buy their brother. So listen to him and what he said.
I will call him Ozin Kana, all I got on Wabundela Sala. I should stop talking, mentioning Biafra in my video. No one has more one Biafra na my video. Ele hunu mamere ne ele hunu mamere ele ihe mamere ni butere Biafra ka ngba mu ni ihe mere ni butere di Biafra nja o di Biafra. And again omendele ku okwu that na maybe na ha mad that enye ego mo I should be saying against Biafra. Le go enye me ego mmụọ gwo anyi ne me ego ko nna gị nyere me ego ko onye nyere me ego mukube against Biafra, as in ile eme ego nke wanyere eme ego o ya bụ ofokwu anyị na-ekwu unu ebe ahụ unu na-ekwu ihe mmadụ dịrị eme otu akụrụ sikwe jide ndị dịrị eme ihe ha mere na-egbusisi abịakọsa abịa kọrọ unu onye na-ejido ya mgbu unu batara iseke in the name of Izo Biafra. Ihe unu ji maka ya wee bata iseke ihe unu bute ụzọ ji maka ya wee bata iseke Osumohu bụ Izo Biafra onye ọbụla lụọ Biafra ka a na-azọ lụọ Biafra na within a year na Biafra ga-abịa many people ekwerecha na Biafra ga-abịa otu unu siri kwu onye mmalụ lụọ 419 game gambling unu jos kunu were ndụ ndị mmadụ na-agba papa unu ebido gbugbe onye ọbụla na-egbu onye kwuo kpem egbuo ya onye kwuo okwu mgbe onye na nwanne ya na-enwekwu ala egbuo ya ogene na-eme unu nkwuru ọgụgụ isi unu na-arụkwa ọrụ ụmụnne anyị bụ ndị isekela ndị Osumohu onye ọbụla ehujisiele unu na-ajụkwa onwe unu kemgbe ọgụ a si bido mmadụ ole ngwere ụmụnne ọnụ n'ole ngwere n'ime ọgụ a enwere ihe bụ ihe na-ajụkwa onwe unu ajụ ụmụnne unu n'ole ngwere n'ime ọgụ a unu na-aga n'ihu ka unu na-aga azụ ka ọ bụ na ele echiche asị gị egbuo nwanne gị ijere gum lọ Biafra ije gbuo ya otu a Biafra a na-egbula ọgụ ya before aga alụzi ọgụ ya ege mgbe alụrụ ọgụ ya mgbe ahụ omenye ma mgbe ahụ na anụrụ na ome nwanne egbuo nwanne ya lụdị ya ijide nwanne unu na-egbula asụlọ Biafra ka na-azọ fọrọ megide chi igbu mmụọ onwe m gbuo ụmụnne m jejide ndị dịrị m ya mere buo onye ebubo gbuo ya ọkwa Biafra jide everywhere transformers ruta everything destroy ya upon down house upon many house bulu na aga arụkọta nwu including my father house elihi ụlọ ahụ unu gbara ọkụ elihi o mere ụmụnne ndị unu ji ekporo gbuo elihi ha mere ndị mmadụ sheke net family ahụ ejide wipe out elihi o mere ife ala eme gị bịa nga ala akọ na asị makpọ nwara Biafra the while ọha butere afọ ahụ bụ ihe butere problem igbu mmadụ niile dị ebere sie taa
This guy has always been speaking for Igbo people. Oh yes, this guy is bold though. He has always been speaking for Igbo people. Now Yoruba guy be there. Just listen to him and hear what he said.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president of the Federal Republic of Cotonou, Alpha. I say make I reach your side this morning. Make I greet you. Today na Monday, December 22, 2025. I say make I greet you. Because you mumu and your mumu too much. Your mumu na upgraded one. Your mumu na confirm one. Original mumu. You mumu allegedly. Anyway, to my Igbo brothers, how far? This thing I want to talk now. I know they talk out to please you people. Now the fact I want to talk. You see, Igbo people, you people are the biggest problem to Nigeria government, whether you like it or not. You take it or you leave it. Now the fact be that you people are the biggest problem to Nigeria government. Not before me, oh. You people are not my problem. Oh. You people are not the problem of Nigerians. You rather hear me. You people are the biggest problem to Nigeria government, especially when it comes to power. When it comes to position. Now that time I go there say no give her power. Now Igbo man, no give her this position. Now Igbo man, there be terrorists, there be this, there be that. Now that time I go there stupid story. Up to now I never even know what you go do them. You never even know. And I go give you an instance. Example. All of you know Uche Naji. Yes. The former interior minister. This man was sacked by Nigerian government. Tinubu sack him. All of them sack him. And they claim say the reason why they sack him is because the man no get certificate. Now why they sack him say no go school. He don't get certificate. Now why they sack him. Now the present one, the current one, Olupumi Tuji, the interior minister, the current one, him say no get certificate. Why they no sack him? Uche Naji is an Igbo man. Why this one? Now Yoruba man from Odo State. They don't sack him. Now they see him. If our president say where they claim say he start person because of certificate, if him say no go school. Now we know he no get certificate. We don't know his schoolmate. Now they see him. Now they see the ATM where they get for Igbo. You people are surrounded by Nigeria, by enemy. The only Igbo man where they give power now, the one who say they don't vow, to they follow them, they do their bad stuff. Even that one when they don't vow, say go they follow them, they do their bad stuff, say they are evil themselves. Even that one say that they monitor them. If any small fuck up, they go bench her. Any small fuck up, they go maltreat them. They go treat the fuck up sharp because they don't like you, Igbo. But if they say now Obama do that fuck up, they don't go do anything. No. They don't go do anything at the fight with that. Whether you like it or not, if you Yoruba, if you invest for me, die for comment section. I not send your father. Thunder go fire you. What did those people do now? Am I sure for me? I know they thought this to please anybody. Now the fact when they happen be that. Go sack Tuji Olupumi Tuji. Sack him to him say no get certificate. Tinubu, are you as the president of the Nigeria? Tinubu, you say you no get certificate. Come over the office. Resign, you no get certificate. Anyway, stupid people.
Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you fans. Thank you my Biafran people. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Please do your best to share this video and let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Merry Christmas. Bye.